Dear students, today we will talk about Jing 15 database. As in our previous lecture related to various web resources for drug design, we have already provided link for the database. It is a very good database, Jing 15. So let's talk about it. So what is Jing 15? Jing 15 is a free database of commercially available compounds for virtual screening. It contains over 230 million purchasable compounds in ready to dock, that is 3D formats, and Jing also contains over 750 million purchasable compounds. You can search for analogs in under a minute. Here a term purchasable is used, and purchasable means if you find a suitable lead compound from in silico studies at this database, then you can buy the compound. So what are the options given in the database? You can choose substances, catalogs, biological and more. So for searching of structure, we can click on substances. So this is the database. This is somewhat it look likes. Now if we want to search any substance, then we can type here search for substance. For example, aspirin. Search. So here are various structures related to aspirin. Suppose I click on the first one. So here are the various information related to aspirin. This is the structure. It is available in stock. You can go for various informations like here the charge. The net charge is -1. Why does it get -1? Because it have a OH group, and OH can easily dissociate, so you can get a -1 charge. It does not have any hydrogen bond donor. Hydrogen bond donor number is 0. Hydrogen bond acceptor is 4. Oxygen is a very good hydrogen bond acceptor, and it have 1, 2, 3 and 4 oxygens. So it have a 4 hydrogen bond acceptors. TPSA is total polar surface area, which is 66 for aspirin. Rotable bonds are 2. Rotable bonds means single bond. We have already studied in stereochemistry that single bonds can freely rotate to give conformers. So here for aspirin the rotatable bond is 2. Now what other informations? Here are the enzymes, different enzymes, classes of enzymes, target class of enzymes on which the aspirin can bind for docking. You can choose any enzyme having details here. Then you can go for these are the different analogs of aspirin. So you can also go for a detail of analogs of different aspirin. Then you can also check out different clinical trials for aspirin. What has been done as any clinical trial been done. The details are given here, like antiplatelet therapy to prevent stroke in African Americans, and the phase 4 is completed for clinical trial. The details are given for phase 4 clinical trials. Antiplatelet therapy, as aspirin is nowadays being used for thinning of blood, it is also used for preventing platelet aggregation, so it is also being given now for strokes also, aspirin. So here it is shown that phase 4 clinical trial have been done. So it is in the market for the treatment of blood thinning as well as for stroke. Like this, it is given here that what is the current status for the clinical trials of this drug. It is given in 2005 to 2006, 2006, 2011, 2007, 2014 and so on actually. So these are various clinical trials, studies. So a good amount of information is given about this particular molecule. So if we are interested to buy aspirin, we can get here on this database. We can write to them and also get various information related to aspirin. So now let's look for another compound. For example, we can take metformin and go for a search. So here are various structures open for metformin. Suppose I click on the first structure. So here it is open for metformin. It is also available in stock, metformin. Here are various informations like smileys are given. Now what is the net charge? The net charge is 2. Hydrogen bond donors are 4. As we are seeing in the structure that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 nitrogens are there, and nitrogen is a hydrogen bond donor. So here the number of hydrogen bond donor is 4. There is no hydrogen bond acceptors. The total polar surface area is 92 for metformin. Rotatable bonds are 0. So these are the various informations for metformin. These are the analogs with zinc IDs are given. Here are the clinical trial studies like metformin and rosiglitazone alone or in combination in HIV infected patient with insulin and fat abnormalities. The status is completed and it is of 2013 data. Similar to this, there are also various other studies have been done in 2006, 2007, 2007, etc. So like this we can check different drugs in the database for the drug design. Now what else we can do? Here is a template where we can draw structures and we can check for substructures. Here I can draw different substructures and search in the database. Like here I am going to draw the structure of imidazole ring. Imidazole ring is a 5-membered ring having 2 nitrogens in the structure. I am drawing the structure of imidazole. You can take double bonds. Yes, this is the structure of imidazole ring, and we can search this in database to find out whether there are any main structure with this type of substructures present. We can draw different structures using this particular template. We can draw aromatic rings, heterocyclic rings, or by adding different heteroatoms like nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, chlorine, or any other halogens. We can draw any structure. As well as if I know the name, then of course I can give the name. So here I have drawn imidazole structure and I can go for search with. I will click search with. Here you can search with various in vitro studies, in vivo studies, in stock and all. And when you click on search with, then you can you want to search it with substructure, so click on substructure. Searching with substructure. So here I got a lot of molecule having this substructure. Here is a lot of molecule. Actually it is a very common substructure found in many drugs. I can take any of this for further studies. For example, I am clicking this. You are seeing here are various structures related to this substructure. You can click any one, you can choose any one structure for the study. Here I am, suppose I am clicking for this. So this is the various information related to this structure. These are the various informations like net charge, hydrogen bonds, donor, acceptors, total polar surface area, rotatable bonds. Along with this, there are various analogs are also present for this molecule. So these are the various information related to this substructure. So if we can do that sort of search, so we can also do that sort of search also. In addition, if we know the zinc ID, then we can also do search depending upon the zinc ID. So this is the zinc database. And this is how we can operate, and we can search and we can choose any structure for further studies for drug design.